In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to share Google Drive direct download link. So first of all, you have to open your Google Drive app. Now you have to click on these three dots. After clicking on these three dots, you will see this option. So now you have to click on this share option. After clicking on share option, you have to click not shared option. So now you will see this option here. Now you have to click on here. After that, you have to click on viewer option. So after that, you have to click on again this link. After that, you have to click on copy link and copy this file link. So now you can share this anyone you want, and those person can able to download this file through link. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.